Hey guys, Alexandra here, aka the Not So Evil Stepmother, and I'm so excited today because we're going to be unboxing what's kind of becoming one of my favorite subscription services. This is only the second month that I've received it, but I absolutely loved last month and I am really excited to see what I get this month. But before I get into that, I did want to answer one quick question that everybody has been asking me, and that is, where did I get this little potion bottle that changes colors in the background? So I did actually get that at a GameStop. I know, it's like, what? A GameStop? You would think it would only have games, but no, a couple of my Harley Quinn figures I found at GameStops, so I do check there periodically looking for Harley Quinn stuff and little odds and ends that they sometimes carry, and that was one of my little treasures that I found. And of course, you guys know I love Halloween, and I think it would be too perfect to put on my little witch's brew station that I set up every year. So yeah, that's where I got it at to answer that question for you guys. So now let's get into this unboxing. Welcome back, you guys, and as I said at the beginning, we're going to be unboxing what's kind of becoming one of my favorite subscription services. Now, this is only the second month I received it, and I do receive this free for review, and this is the MintMongoose jewelry subscription service. It is $12 a month and $3.70 for shipping and handling. So basically $16 a month, and they send you 3 pieces of jewelry, and then every third month you get some sort of really amazing free gift, whether it's a wallet or cute sunglasses or some kind of must-have makeup product. But what I really love about this is my skin is super sensitive, especially now being pregnant. And I told you guys that I was gonna put this jewelry through a very strenuous wear test over the month from last month when I received it. If you guys remember, I received this ring, and I'm sure you guys have seen me. I've had it on through all my previous videos. I have literally been wearing this nonstop for a month. Now I wanna show you real fast. This is a ring I got from Rocksbox. And as you can see, it completely tarnished. See that there? Okay, in less than a month. Now this ring, I will show you, you can see the little, I have not turned me green. It has not turned me green. And most jewelry, if it's fake or if it's not gold or silver, it will turn me green in a heartbeat. This did not turn me green, which blew my mind. And I have been, I'm a mom, okay? So I have put this to the test. I have been washing my hands with this. Like, the only time I've taken this ring off actually is when I've gotten in the shower. That's it. Other than that, I mean, this thing has been through hell and back with me this last month. And as you can see, it is not tarnished, it is not nicked, it is not scratched, it is not nothing. It did not turn my finger any kind of colors. I mean, there it is. So I feel like the proof is in the pudding. So just to let you guys know, the earrings did not affect my ears at all. I did wear those quite a few times this month. The necklace, same thing. Normally, any kind of jewelry, if it's not gold or silver, it will change my neck colors. This did not do that. So I'm really excited to see about this month. I will tell you, they do have options. So if you don't like earrings, or if you don't like watches, because they do sometimes send watches, they do have preferences that you guys can pick, whether you want gold or silver, or, and now I think they have rose gold that they just released. So you can pick gold, silver, rose gold, and again, it's $12 and $3.70, so $16 a month. And if you guys want, and you haven't tried this yet, you can use my code STEPMAMA, all caps, all one word, and you can get your first month for $10 and free shipping. So $10 to try this out, you guys. It's totally worth it. And I hate opening this though, because it's just such cute packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. I don't really know, I think, a girl who isn't. Oh no, I ripped it. I just love this little, it's like a little wax dealie. It just reminds me of like some Harry Potter stuff. I think I said that last time. All right, I'm so excited. And they always put a little Werther's candy in there, which I think is really cute. And my daughter like absolutely adores those things. So this says, thank you from MintMongoose, little card there. And then they wrap everything up really nicely in some tissue paper. which I love. You could definitely tell when you receive this jewelry, like that they take care of it, that they care about it. You know, they individually package everything and it's wrapped and double wrapped. So I'm really, really excited to see what we're gonna get. Okay, so the first thing, let's see, this kind of looks like a bracelet of some sort. Let me see. Let me see. Oh yeah, okay. It's a bracelet, and you can actually, like, you know, tighten it and whatnot. That is really cute. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but yeah, they're like little, those are cute. That's cute. It's really cute. It's almost like Indian. It reminds me of like some, you know, an Indian would wear. It's very cute. Okay, what is this? What is this? It looks like maybe earrings. No. Let me see. Ah, found the opening. And see what I'm talking about? They wrap it and then they bubble wrap it. So it's like you can tell that they really take care of their stuff. All right. Oh yeah. Ooh, those are pretty. I don't know if that's like, it's almost like they're rose gold and it's like a chocolate brown. And like I said, they just released their rose gold line. Some of you guys can see that. It's so pretty. Pretty. I love it. I love these. These are so pretty. So cute. And then let's open our third little baggie here. I love the little picture of the mongoose on the on each one of them. It's just, like I said, you can just tell, you know, if a company really cares about their products or not, you know. They're just sending you whatever. Oh yeah, this is gorgeous, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. So it's same thing. It's like a little like chocolate brown. Let's see if I can get it to stay. It's kind of, it's not as dark as the earrings. You can see through it just a little bit more, which I kind of like. And then this is one thing I do like about their necklaces that I noticed last month. So they make it to where you can make it longer or shorter. And then they always have their little MintMongoose like seal stamped into the metal there, which I think is just adorable. All right, you guys, so that is just too cute. So yeah, that is what we got in this month's MintMongoose, and I'm pretty sure, I think everybody gets kind of the same thing unless you go up to the next level, which there is another level, and I'll put all the details down below along with my code. So if any of you guys are interested in signing up, definitely make sure you use my code. Again, it's StepMama, all one word, all caps, and that will get you your first month for $10 and free shipping. All right, so that's all I got for you guys today. Love you so much, and I hope everybody has an absolutely amazing day.